There is a love that gives everything and never holds back. In today's gospel, Jesus tells us the Father loves the Son and has given everything to him. Everything, not just a part, but all. And what is beautiful is this: Jesus does not keep that love for himself, he gives it to us. He gives us his life, he gives us his truth, he gives us his mercy, even when we feel unworthy. Sometimes we think we need to be perfect before God can love us. But the gospel reminds us God gives first. Even in your weakness, even in your failures, even in your silent struggles, God is not holding back his love. So today, do not be afraid to open your hearts again, because the love you are searching for is already being given to you, and it is more than enough. Amen.